Okay. Very good.
Me.
Okay, after this way. Okay, very good. Okay, you. Wow, very good See? Slowly, Jeren, you will learn how to swim. Yeah, slowly. You know what? You hold here. And then you do like that. Hold slowly. Yeah. Okay. See? And now go swim on going that way. You can do it? Now, slowly. Okay. A bit near. Okay, now go. Swim.
Like this, like this.
Swim, Jeren, like this. See, show to Jeren. Okay, yeah. But you have to swim like that,
Look at me. Go. Go. Look at me, J-Rod. Like this, J-Rod.
Yeah, hold right away, you know.
Like this,
If you cannot handle the water, you know, if you're scared, hold.
Like this, J-Rod.
See, look. See? Okay. Wait. Oh, see, like that. Oh, see? Slowly, you will learn how to swim. Just keep on doing that one, you know. From there, yeah, like that. From there, go on this way, you know. Go here. Yeah, like that. Slowly, you know. But, you know, see to it that this side is nearby you. See? Hold right away. Hold. Yeah, like that. See?
Like this.
See? Slowly, but you have to hold, yeah, like that. And then slowly, you know, what you can hold, and then go down, and then up, hold.
Tignan mo kung gano'n
Yeah, hold like that.
Tignan mo gano'n kalalim.
Yeah, it's very deep, right, Jeren? You cannot reach the floor, right? See, look. Oh, see? But see to it that you are near on this side. So that you can hold easily. See? Up and hold.
J-Rod, like this,
Oh, hold right away. You're not going to drown unless you hold, yeah? Or, because you're still not, you're still learning how to swim, so that's normal.
I just move.
Yeah, like that. Slowly. And then you're going to be far, you know?
I move while floating next.
Yeah. Like that. But be sure that you are near from the hill holding area, so that we're not going to drown. Like that.
In the ocean.
Ocean, you cannot hold, yeah? See? You're going to drown right away because there's no thing to hold.
In the sea. Ocean, sea, no.
That's why I like in swimming pool, you know.
River,
Just keep on swim, then you can hold already. But in the ocean, cannot. Keep on swimming, you get tired. You cannot hold anything there.
Yeah.
Mm.
Because if you stop, you sink.
You get tired before you reach on the seashore.
When you are tired, you go like floating. Floating.
See? Because he's still learning how to swim. Oh, hold right away. Yeah, like that. See? You're getting far now. A while ago, you just here, right? Now, a bit far already. Yeah. Don't trick me, Chipping. I don't want. It's hot.
It's cold.
Hey?
Di na mainit to. Look at the sky.
For me, it's still hot.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
For you, no. Right?
No.
See? Up. Move, move, move. He's trying to get far a little bit. Yeah, see? See? Just hold, hold. If you reach on the deep one, if you know how to hold right away, you're not going to be drawn.
Like this.
Yeah. See? Now, you're just starting to swim, learning how to swim, so that's normal. This one is very good already. Just learn how to do the diving, right diving technique.
Start of the floating like this, Jaira, though.
Ba? Nakarating na siya rito, tinuturuan ko lumangoy.
Learning how to swim.
Show mama how you do it. See, pinahold ko siya sa gilid. See? Marunong. Sabi ko, basta malapit
I
ang...
sink to the bottom.
See?
But I grabbed on at the right time. Like Chipping did. Sakit ng ulo ko, nauntog ako.
Saan ka nauntog?
Like this.
Chipping bambog. Ha?
Look. Nalugtog
Ayan.
ka. Hoy.
Hindi yata. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Okay, very good. Good job.
Peng, kuha tayong dyan, Mango, Peng.
Wala bang sarukang dyan, di? Takot kasi doon yung aso, hindi ko mapasok doon.
Parang okay naman yung aso.
Ewan ko, hindi pa kasi ako ganun kilala ng mga aso dito eh. Hindi katulad kay Blue. Kilala na ako. Wow, malayo na siya ba oh.
Wow! Wow!
Uh-huh.
Wow! Ang sarap yung dyan, Mango, tas may bagoong dyan.
Ma? You're swimming? I want chicken nuggets because I'm hungry.
Chicken nuggets daw right away. After the swimming chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets.
Make chicken nuggets.
Yeah, hurry up.
Ay!
Hurry up.
I'm learning how to swim.
Hurry up pa.
Dali ko karata.
Ah? Mamaya pag umula.
Look at my fingers.
Okay.
Look. Kita mo pa ako, ta? Look at my fingers.
Oh, what happened to your finger?
Kita mo yung pa ako?
Oh.
Dalawa. Ay!